I'm super sleepy right now, but hey, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. I wake up and do 100 push-ups every single day before 5 a.m. and it's fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. This is July 25th, 2025, and this is going to be day 382 of consistently helping people build consistency. So, one question, really important question. Why do you want to be consistent at doing something? Well, the answer is pretty simple. Either you want to be consistent at exercising or studying or meditating. You want to get some results, okay? You want to get some benefit from doing that particular thing. And here's the thing. What happens if you do not see the results or the benefits? Or you do not think that you will see the results or the benefits? Most likely you will quit, okay? So how not to quit? That's the big question, right? Make sure that you are seeing some concrete progress on a day-to-day basis. Make sure that you know that you are winning every single day. So how to achieve this actually? Use SMART indicators, okay? So if you want to study, don't only use the exam grades as measure of success, but also use how many new concepts have you been able to remember or understand. Track how many new vocabularies can you remember. Another example, when you are trying to exercise consistently, don't only use how big your muscle is as indicator of success. Also use your strength, or maybe how many reps can you do push-ups, okay, as measure of success. So for example, on day 1, you track the progress. You can only do 10 push-ups, but on day 7, when you just stick to the exercise, you can do 15 push-ups. That's some really clear progress, okay? When you see progress, big chances you are going to continue doing the thing because you are going to perceive it as a win. Track this on a day-to-day basis for super clear reminder that you are progressing, okay? So even if you haven't seen the good grades yet or the big muscles yet, when you see the other indicators there, you are still going to perceive it as a win. So that's it from me for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join our Discord. Thank you.